In this tutorial I will show you how to add Passkey to your Google account for secure login with biometric verification, so follow these steps. Open your browser and go to google.com. Click on the profile icon at the top right corner of the page. Ensure you're logged into the Google account for which you want to add the passkey. Click on Manage your Google account. Tap on the Security tab. Scroll down to the Security section and click on Passkey. Select Create Passkey. Confirm the addition of Passkey by using your device's biometric verification method, such as Face ID or fingerprint scanner. Once verified, click Done. Now, you can use your Face ID or fingerprint to log into your Google account for a more secure and convenient login experience. Remember to keep your biometric information updated and secure on your devices for optimal security.